Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows 10 updates and that Xbox game bar is enabled. This prevents permission errors. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account so captures and overlays sync. Next, press Win+G to launch the interface. This is the single entry point. If Windows asks for microphone or game capture permission, allow it, otherwise recording or chat widgets won't work. You're now in the game bar overlay and ready to move to capture and widget setup. Now configure capture settings so recordings match your goals. Open the capture widget and choose quality and frame rate, and toggle microphone if you want voice. Make sure game mode is on for consistent performance. Enable background recording only if you need automatic clips because it uses extra resources. Arrange and dock audio, performance, and social widgets where they don't block HUD elements. Once you've tailored these, short recordings and screenshots will be instant and predictable every session. To finalize, actually record. Press Win+Alt+R to start or stop, and use Win+Alt+PRTSC for screenshots. Practice once to memorize shortcuts. Files saved to the Captures folder visible via Settings, Gaming Captures, and the Xbox app. This keeps media organized. If recording fails, check 3 things. GPU drivers are current, Xbox game bar has proper permissions in privacy settings, and your storage location isn't full or redirected improperly. If issues persist, reboot and try again. Most problems clear with a restart.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.